Welcome to the world of one of North America's most ancient and misunderstood predators, the alligator gar. With its prehistoric appearance and fearsome reputation, the alligator gar has long captured the imagination of people who encounter it. But how much do we really know about this mysterious fish? Today, we're diving deep into the life of this aquatic giant, exploring its biology, behavior, history, and its place in the ecosystem. Strap in as we uncover the truth behind the legends and misconceptions surrounding this fascinating creature. The alligator gar, Atractosteus spatula, is one of the largest freshwater fish in North America, named for its crocodile-like snout filled with sharp teeth. These toothy giants can grow up to 10 feet long and weigh over 300 pounds, making them one of the heaviest freshwater fish in the world. The species has been around for over 100 million years, making them true living fossils. They've seen the rise and fall of dinosaurs, the evolution of mammals, and have persisted through major shifts in climate and geography. Alligator gar primarily inhabits slow-moving rivers, bayous, lakes, and coastal marshes across the southeastern United States. Although their range once extended further north, habitat loss and overfishing have reduced their numbers in many areas. Let's talk about their anatomy. The alligator gar's long, torpedo-shaped body is covered in thick, diamond-shaped ganoid scales, some of the toughest natural armor found in fish. These scales are so strong that Native Americans once used them as arrowheads and for crafting tools. One of the gar's most remarkable features is its ability to breathe both in water and air. Alligator gars possess a swim bladder that functions much like a lung. This allows them to survive in low-oxygen environments where most fish would struggle. They often surface to gulp air, a trait that's particularly useful in the warm, oxygen-depleted waters they call home. Their elongated snout, filled with 2 rows of sharp, needle-like teeth, is designed to catch prey with a powerful grip. This allows the gar to ambush and capture fish, waterfowl, and even small mammals with incredible precision. Despite their fearsome appearance, alligator gars are opportunistic hunters and scavengers. Their diet primarily consists of fish such as shad, carp, and catfish, but they've also been known to eat turtles, small mammals, and birds.
Gars are ambush predators, using their sluggish movements and camouflaged bodies to lie in wait before quickly lunging at prey. Unlike some predators, they don't chase their food. Instead, they use short bursts of speed to snap their jaws shut around their prey in a sideways strike.
Interestingly, alligator gars aren't the aggressive killers many think they are. In fact, they're relatively passive and will only attack humans if provoked or handled carelessly. Their bad reputation largely stems from their intimidating looks rather than their actual behavior. Alligator gars play a crucial role in maintaining the health of aquatic ecosystems. By preying on diseased and weakened fish, they help regulate fish populations and prevent the spread of illness among other species. They also help control invasive species, such as Asian carp, which can wreak havoc on native habitats. As apex predators, gars contribute to the balance of their environment, keeping other species in check and ensuring the overall health of their ecosystems. However, like many predators, they've often been misunderstood and targeted for extermination, leading to sharp declines in their populations in some areas. For decades, alligator gars were seen as trash fish and were often targeted for removal. Misunderstood as dangerous to humans or harmful to game fish populations, these ancient creatures faced widespread persecution. However, modern research has shown that these fears are largely unfounded. Alligator gars are not the monsters people once believed them to be. They don't pose a threat to humans, and they play a critical role in their ecosystems. Unfortunately, habitat destruction, pollution, and overfishing have significantly impacted their populations. In response, several states have implemented conservation programs to protect the species and restore their natural habitats. In recent years, states like Texas and Louisiana have introduced stricter regulations on alligator gar fishing, including size limits and seasonal closures. These efforts are aimed at ensuring that alligator gar populations can recover and thrive in the wild. Conservation programs have also taken steps to breed and release alligator gars in areas where they've been extirpated, helping to restore balance to these aquatic environments. The alligator gar holds a special place in the history and culture of many Native American tribes who respected these fish for their strength and resilience. They used gar scales to create tools, ornaments, and even armor, while the fish itself was a valuable source of food. Today, alligator gar are gaining recognition not just as a conservation priority, but as a prized catch for sport fishermen. Their size and strength make them a challenging and rewarding catch, and many anglers practice catch and release to help preserve the species for future generations. As we continue to learn more about these incredible creatures, the future of the alligator gar looks brighter than it has in decades. Through education, conservation, and a better understanding of their ecological importance, we can ensure that this ancient predator continues to thrive for millions of years to come. The roe or eggs of the alligator gar contain a potent toxin called ichthyotoxin, which can cause severe illness if ingested. This is an evolutionary defense mechanism to protect the eggs from being eaten by predators. While gar are sometimes targeted for their meat by fishermen, consuming the eggs is a big no-no. Interestingly, this toxic defense only protects the eggs, as the adult alligator gar has very few natural predators once it grows to its massive size. It's a rare case in nature where an animal's eggs are more dangerous than the creature itself. This makes the alligator gar not only an incredible survivor in the wild, but also one of the few fish species with such a unique built-in egg defense system. Alligator gars are considered living fossils because their ancestors date back over 100 million years to the early Cretaceous period. That means they lived alongside dinosaurs and have remained largely unchanged in their form and behavior for millions of years. Their primitive features, such as their long, armored bodies, ganoid scales, and dual-row teeth, are remarkably similar to fossilized gars from ancient times. This ancient lineage is why they're sometimes referred to as prehistoric predators, giving them a unique place in the animal kingdom as one of the few fish species that has survived major extinction events, including the one that wiped out the dinosaurs. The alligator gar, ancient, misunderstood, and majestic. These living fossils serve as a reminder of the resilience of nature and the importance of preserving the delicate balance of our ecosystems. So the next time you hear tales of a river monster, remember that this formidable fish is an integral part of North America's rich natural history. Please like and subscribe for more legends.